Ever felt the burn of acid reflux or the nagging pain of a sore throat? Namaste, seekers of age-old wisdom. In the heart of North America lies nature's best-kept secret, the slippery elm. Not just any tree, but a treasure trove of healing. It's slippery mucilage, a shield against coughs, sore throats, and even diarrhea. Teas, capsules, lozenges, choose your healing path. But remember, begin modestly and listen to your body's whispers. In Ayurveda, we look to nature for answers. With Slippery Elm, healing isn't just a promise. It's an age-old legacy. Harness the power of Slippery Elm. Let nature heal, soothe, and protect. Dive deep into Ayurveda's treasures. Link in the description. Reconnect with ancient wisdom. Like, share, and journey with Us. Namaste.